UNESCO has developed the AI Competency Framework for teachers, a critical resource designed to meet the evolving needs of educators in an era marked by rapid technological growth. This framework identifies key competencies that teachers must cultivate to successfully incorporate artificial intelligence into their teaching methods. Central to the framework is a human-centered approach, which emphasizes the importance of upholding human rights and accountability in the application of AI. The framework is organized into 15 competencies, categorized across 5 main dimensions, one of which is a human-centered mindset and AI pedagogy. This initiative aligns with the broader Global Education 2030 agenda, which seeks to promote inclusive and equitable quality education, recognizing education as a fundamental human right essential for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals by the year 2030. UNESCO plays a pivotal role in leading and guiding countries as they implement the Education 2030 framework for action. Specifically, Goal 4 of the agenda highlights the necessity of providing lifelong learning opportunities for everyone. It underscores the importance of equipping teachers with the skills they need for the future. Within the AI competency framework, competencies are categorized into 3 progression levels: acquire, deepen, and create. This tiered structure is designed to assist educators in advancing their understanding and application of AI within educational contexts. Educators can begin by acquiring foundational knowledge and skills, subsequently deepen their expertise, and ultimately innovate their teaching practices through the use of AI. This framework promotes continuous professional development and encourages a commitment to lifelong learning among educators. Moreover, UNESCO's AI competency framework serves not only as a global reference point, but also supports the creation of national frameworks and training programs. It offers strategies for teachers to enhance their AI knowledge while applying ethical principles in their educational practices. The adaptable nature of the framework allows countries to customize it to fit their specific educational contexts and requirements. The need for this framework is particularly urgent, as data from 2022 indicated that only 7 countries had established AI frameworks or training programs for teachers. This statistic reveals a significant gap in the preparation and support available to educators for effectively utilizing AI technologies. The framework seeks to empower teachers by improving their understanding of both the technical and ethical aspects of AI, addressing the demand for educational transformation to better meet the challenges posed by emerging technologies. The AI competency framework for teachers is organized into several key dimensions that outline the essential skills and knowledge areas required for effective teaching with artificial intelligence. This framework provides a comprehensive overview of the competencies needed for educators to integrate AI understanding into their teaching practices effectively. The framework comprises 5 critical aspects that guide educators in their professional development and instructional approaches. The first aspect emphasizes the need for a human-centered mindset. This mindset is crucial for fostering meaningful connections between teachers and students, which is essential for effective learning. The second aspect addresses the ethics of AI. It underlines the importance of responsible technology use within educational environments, ensuring that teachers are aware of the ethical implications of AI in their teaching. The third aspect focuses on the foundations and applications of AI. It is vital for educators to possess a solid understanding of basic AI concepts and their practical implications in order to teach these topics effectively. The fourth aspect pertains to AI pedagogy. This encourages the adoption of innovative teaching methods that incorporate AI tools and resources, enabling teachers to enhance their instructional strategies. The fifth aspect highlights the importance of AI for professional development. It promotes a culture of continuous learning among educators, ensuring they remain informed about the latest advancements in AI technology. The framework also includes progression levels that support teachers in systematically advancing their AI competencies. Progression Level 1, titled Acquire, focuses on building foundational knowledge about AI technologies. Progression Level 2, known as Deepen, encourages educators to enhance their understanding and application of AI in their classrooms. Progression Level 3, called Create, empowers teachers to innovate and develop new strategies that utilize AI in their teaching practices. Overall, the structure of the AI competency framework is designed to foster an adaptive teaching environment. It promotes collaboration among educators, enabling them to share best practices for effectively using AI in their instruction. Continuous assessment and reflection on AI competencies are encouraged to enhance teaching effectiveness. Ultimately, the framework aims to equip teachers with the necessary tools to prepare their students for a future increasingly influenced by AI technologies. The AI competency framework for teachers presents a structured approach to enhancing the artificial intelligence skills of educators. This framework is divided into 3 progression levels, each aimed at developing different aspects of teachers' understanding and application of AI in educational settings. The first level, Progression Level 1, is centered on acquiring foundational knowledge about artificial intelligence. This initial stage is crucial for teachers as it establishes a basic understanding of AI concepts and tools. Progression Level 2 builds on this foundation by emphasizing the deepening of understanding and skills related to the integration of AI into educational practices. At this level, teachers are encouraged to explore how AI can be effectively utilized within the classroom to enhance learning outcomes. The third and final level, Progression Level 3, focuses on fostering creativity and innovation among teachers. This stage empowers educators to not only use AI tools, but also to create new methodologies that incorporate AI into their teaching practices. To successfully implement these competencies, several strategies are essential. One key strategy is the regulation of AI, which involves establishing trustworthy AI tools that align with educational goals. Additionally, enabling policies must be developed to support the integration of AI within educational environments. It is also important to formulate local AI competency frameworks that address the specific needs of different regions. This localization ensures that the implementation of AI is relevant and effective in various educational contexts. Training and support programs play a vital role in equipping teachers with the necessary AI competencies. These programs should focus on practical applications of AI in teaching, ensuring that educators can directly apply what they learn in their classrooms. Continuous support and resources are also required to help teachers adapt to the evolving landscape of AI technologies. To assess teachers' AI competencies effectively, the framework suggests using contextual performance-based assessment tools. These tools can provide valuable insights into how well educators are integrating AI into their teaching practices. However, the framework also highlights potential risks associated with the use of AI in education. There is a concern that an over-reliance on AI systems could undermine human agency. Additionally, AI has the potential to exacerbate existing inequalities and discrimination within educational systems. Data privacy issues are another critical concern, especially regarding the management of student information through AI tools. Collaboration among stakeholders is emphasized as a vital component in the implementation of AI in education. This collaboration should involve various stakeholders, including government bodies, educational institutions, and non-profit organizations. By working together, these groups can create effective AI frameworks that meet the diverse needs of the education sector. Engaging teachers in the development of AI policies is crucial to ensure their insights and needs are considered. Such collective efforts can lead to the creation of a safer and more equitable educational landscape that fully embraces the potential of AI. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in education presents both opportunities and challenges that merit careful consideration. One significant concern is the potential diminishing role of teachers and the quality of their relationships with students. As AI systems increasingly take on tasks traditionally performed by educators, there is a risk that the educational experience may become overly focused on content that is easily processed by machines. This shift could lead to a neglect of the broader learning experiences that are crucial for student development. Moreover, an over-reliance on AI could exacerbate the global shortage of qualified teachers. Funding that could be directed toward human development may instead be diverted to technological solutions, further straining the teaching workforce. It is essential to recognize that teachers must remain central to the educational experience, fostering meaningful interactions with their students. Teachers play a critical role in the responsible implementation of AI within educational settings. They are not just consumers of technology. They must act as designers and facilitators of learning. In this capacity, teachers are tasked with ensuring the ethical application of AI technologies. They must also model lifelong learning regarding AI and its implications for education, thereby equipping themselves and their students to navigate an AI-driven landscape. To support teachers in developing these competencies, the AI Competency Framework for Teachers, AI-CFT, has been established. This framework aims to enhance teachers' abilities to use AI safely and effectively in their teaching practices. It is anchored in a human-centered approach, emphasizing that while AI can assist in education, the importance of human interactions should always take precedence. The AI CFT highlights the necessity for continuous professional development and training in AI applications for educators. However, as of 2022, there has been a significant gap in the development of AI frameworks for teachers worldwide, with only 7 countries having established such frameworks. This lack of standardized guidance points to a broader gap in educational policy, which needs to be addressed to define the roles and competencies of teachers in AI contexts. Developing national and institutional frameworks is crucial for preparing teachers to integrate AI effectively into their classrooms. The AI CFT complements existing information and communication technology (ICT) frameworks, such as the UNESCO ICT Competency Framework for Teachers, to enhance professional development for educators. Both frameworks advocate for a holistic approach to professional growth, ensuring that teachers engage in continuous learning and adaptation. Creating supportive environments for teacher development is vital for these initiatives to succeed. This includes providing access to necessary resources and implementing supportive policies. Ethical considerations also play an important role in the use of AI in educational settings. The unique capabilities of AI raise pressing concerns about privacy, data security, and the potential erosion of teacher decision-making authority. Teachers must be well equipped to navigate the complex ethical landscape surrounding AI, ensuring the protection of student data and promoting equity in educational opportunities. As reliance on AI grows, it becomes increasingly important to maintain teacher agency and ensure that technology serves the overall educational goals rather than undermining them. In today's educational landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI tools, has become increasingly prevalent. However, it is crucial for teachers to guide their use responsibly. A fundamental aspect of this responsibility lies in understanding the stochastic nature of AI. Unlike traditional systems, AI-generated content can yield different results from identical inputs, which introduces an element of unpredictability. This characteristic can impact the reliability of AI in conveying factual information. Therefore, it is imperative for educators to comprehend how AI systems generate their outputs. This knowledge enables teachers to critically evaluate the information produced by AI and discern its accuracy. Moreover, it is essential for educators to grasp the training and functionality of AI tools. Understanding the processes behind how these tools are trained is vital for their safe application in classroom settings. Teachers should cultivate the ability to assess the accuracy of AI-generated content effectively. This foundational understanding aids educators in designing teaching methodologies that incorporate AI tools in a responsible manner. Additionally, teachers play a pivotal role in ensuring that the use of AI in education aligns with human-centric values. It is important to promote social values such as empathy, justice, and solidarity. Educators should encourage students to engage in real-world interactions, even as they utilize digital technologies. This emphasis on human connections is vital in fostering a balanced approach to technology in education. The design of AI applications in education should also prioritize inclusivity. It is crucial that AI tools provide equitable access for all students, irrespective of their backgrounds. Teachers must remain vigilant regarding potential biases embedded in AI systems and actively work to mitigate these biases. By doing so, they can ensure that all students benefit equally from AI-enhanced learning experiences. To effectively navigate the evolving landscape of AI, continuous professional learning for educators is essential. Ongoing training allows teachers to stay informed about advancements in AI technology and the ethical considerations associated with its use. Professional development programs should focus on equipping educators with the necessary skills to utilize AI tools responsibly. Supporting teachers in this manner enhances their capacity to foster a culture of responsible AI use within their classrooms. Finally, accountability and ethical use of AI in education are paramount. Teachers must remain accountable for their pedagogical decisions regarding the integration of AI tools. Clear communication about the ethical and legal implications of AI use is crucial. Educational institutions must provide the necessary support and resources to help teachers navigate these challenges effectively. By doing so, they can empower educators to use AI responsibly and ethically in their teaching practices. The AI Competency Framework, CFT, is designed to empower teachers with the necessary skills and knowledge to engage with artificial intelligence tools effectively and safely in educational settings. This framework equips educators to critically assess these tools, allowing them to understand how AI systems operate and the decision-making processes behind them. By learning about these aspects, teachers can identify potential hidden risks associated with AI applications. An essential component of the framework is its focus on enabling teachers to intervene when AI tools might adversely affect student learning. Understanding the human-controlled impact of AI is crucial for educators, as it is important to recognize that AI systems are created by humans. This means that the design intentions behind these systems can significantly influence human rights and social well-being. The AI Competency Framework also promotes awareness of both the benefits and risks that AI can bring to educational environments. It guides teachers in managing any negative effects that AI might have on student learning and overall well-being. In this context, protecting teachers' rights and redefining their roles in an AI-driven educational landscape is essential. It is emphasized that AI should not undermine the accountability and interaction that are fundamental to effective teaching and learning. To support teachers in this evolving role, it is vital for legal protections regarding their rights to be established. Policymakers must also take action to review and redefine the competencies that teachers need in environments increasingly integrated with AI technologies. A significant focus should be placed on promoting trustworthy and environmentally sustainable AI in education. To ensure the responsible use of AI, principles such as ethics by design should be enforced to validate AI tools prior to their implementation in classrooms. Additionally, a do-no-harm principle is necessary to safeguard human rights and the environment from potential negative impacts of AI tools. Educational institutions must guarantee that the AI tools they use are reliable, safe, and suitable for all students. The AI Competency Framework is designed to be inclusive and adaptable, catering to teachers at various levels of digital expertise. Recognizing AI literacy as a basic right and a prerequisite for teaching in the AI era is critical. This framework allows all teachers to enhance their understanding of AI, regardless of their starting point. To support teachers in their journey towards AI competency, resources and training programs should be developed to address both basic and advanced levels of understanding. Lifelong professional learning is essential, especially given the rapid advancements in AI technologies. Teacher development should prioritize continuous learning throughout a teacher's career, promoting a holistic approach to training that fosters both lifelong learning and professional growth. The framework encourages teachers to navigate their personal progression through transferable competencies that can adapt to ongoing developments in AI. The AI Competency Framework for Teachers, referred to as the AI CFT, is a structured initiative designed to enhance the skills and ethical understanding of teachers regarding the integration of artificial intelligence in education. The primary objective of this framework is to guide teachers through various levels of competencies, enabling them to develop a comprehensive understanding of AI and its pedagogical implications. The framework outlines several critical components, emphasizing the need for effective training methodologies. These methodologies are crucial in keeping teachers informed about emerging technologies and their impact on teaching practices. Continuous reflection on their practices is encouraged, promoting a culture of lifelong learning among educators. This ongoing reflection and improvement are vital for teachers to advance their understanding and skills in AI. To facilitate this reflective practice, the AI CFT advocates for the review of exemplary lessons. This process allows teachers to assess their teaching methods and identify areas for improvement. The framework promotes a cycle of lesson design, implementation, reflection, and redesign, which aims to enhance the effectiveness of teaching through iterative improvement. Teachers are also encouraged to internalize the values and understanding necessary for successful AI integration in their teaching. For this reason, training and support programs must be coherent and accessible for both pre-service and in-service teachers, regardless of their career stages. Development communities and peer coaching initiatives are promoted to provide collaborative learning experiences, fostering an environment of shared knowledge and support. A human-centered approach is central to the AI CFT, ensuring that teaching practices align with the evolving nature of AI technologies. This alignment necessitates policy adaptations that support teachers in their professional learning journeys. Effective policies should allocate sufficient time and resources for teachers to engage in meaningful professional development. Additionally, teacher management policies should recognize and reward innovative applications of AI in educational contexts. The framework comprises 5 key aspects of competency across 3 levels of progression. The 5 aspects include a human-centered mindset, the ethics of AI, foundational knowledge and applications of AI pedagogy, and the use of AI for professional development. The progression levels, acquire, deepen, and create, represent different stages of competency development, catering to teachers with varying levels of AI knowledge, from novices to seasoned practitioners. It is essential to note that the effective integration of AI in education is influenced by various contextual factors that extend beyond the framework itself. Access to digital infrastructure and internet resources is crucial for the practical application of AI competencies. Furthermore, considerations regarding data security, privacy regulations, and policy guidance significantly shape the use of AI in educational settings. The performance and trustworthiness of AI tools also directly impact teachers' workloads and their capacity to utilize AI effectively in their teaching practices. In summary, the AI competency framework for teachers serves as a comprehensive guide for educators, providing a structured approach to developing the skills and ethical understanding necessary for the successful integration of AI into education. The AI competency framework for teachers outlines a structured approach to developing artificial intelligence capabilities within the educational sector. This framework is composed of 5 interconnected aspects that are essential for enhancing teachers' competencies in integrating AI into their teaching practices. The first aspect is termed a human-centered mindset. This aspect underscores the significance of prioritizing human rights and needs when applying AI technologies. Teachers are encouraged to adopt critical methodologies to evaluate both the advantages and risks linked to AI. It is essential for educators to understand how AI impacts society and the implications this has for citizenship in an increasingly AI-driven world. Moreover, fostering human agency and accountability is crucial in teachers' interactions with AI technologies. The second aspect emphasizes the ethics of AI. Teachers must develop a strong foundation in ethical values and regulations related to AI use. It is vital that they acquire skills to employ AI safely and responsibly within educational contexts. This aspect also advocates for active participation in the evolution of ethical standards as knowledge regarding AI continues to grow. A comprehensive grasp of AI ethics is necessary for teachers to make informed decisions in their professional practice. The third aspect revolves around AI foundations and applications. This component outlines the essential knowledge and skills needed for teachers to select and use AI tools effectively. Educators should have a clear understanding of AI definitions, functionalities, and the major categories of technology available. Evaluating the suitability of AI tools for specific educational needs is a key requirement for successful implementation. Additionally, teachers are encouraged to develop skills to customize AI tools to create learning environments that center around the needs of students. The fourth aspect, known as AI pedagogy, details the competencies necessary for integrating AI into teaching practices effectively. Teachers must be adept at validating and selecting AI tools that align with their pedagogical methods. This aspect requires critical assessment of when and how to use AI ethically in educational settings, promoting inclusive teaching practices. It also encourages innovative exploration of AI applications to improve educational outcomes. The fifth and final aspect addresses the use of AI for professional development, highlighting the importance of lifelong learning for educators. Teachers should utilize AI to assess their professional learning needs and to encourage ongoing growth. Providing guidance to help educators adapt to the constantly changing landscape of AI in education is vital. Furthermore, developing skills to create and adapt AI tools for transformative professional development is identified as a key priority. In addition to these 5 aspects, the framework includes progression levels that guide teachers through their journey of developing AI competencies. The first level, Acquire, is aimed at teachers who have limited knowledge of AI and focuses on establishing basic AI literacy. The second level, Deepen, assists those with some experience in AI to enhance their teaching practices through the application of AI tools. The third level, Create, nurtures expert educators who are capable of implementing transformative and ethical AI applications in education. It is important to note that progression through these levels is not necessarily linear. Individual strengths and weaknesses should be assessed to create personalized learning pathways that cater to each teacher's unique professional development needs. The AI Competency Framework for Teachers outlines 3 levels of understanding and application of artificial intelligence in educational settings. Each level builds upon the previous one, allowing educators to develop their skills and knowledge progressively. At the first level, known as Acquire, the focus is on essential AI competencies that enable teachers to recognize and use AI tools effectively and ethically. During this stage, educators learn the fundamental knowledge and skills necessary for integrating AI into their teaching practices. They develop a critical understanding of the human-led nature of AI and its implications for rights and autonomy. This level also emphasizes awareness of ethical principles related to AI, including human rights, diversity, and sustainability. Teachers explore basic AI techniques and accessible applications, laying a foundation for ongoing professional development and the integration of AI in their educational practices. The second level, termed Deepen, signifies a progression in proficiency. At this stage, teachers demonstrate the ability to safely integrate AI into educational practices while emphasizing accountability. They are required to adhere to local and national policies governing the use of AI in education. Educators evaluate AI tools for their ethical implications and advocate for equity and inclusion within their teaching environments. They should possess the skills to select and apply AI tools effectively to enhance teaching and learning practices. Additionally, this level encourages the integration of human-centered pedagogical strategies, enabling teachers to utilize AI to enrich their professional development and facilitate peer learning. The final level, Create, represents mastery of AI competencies. Here, teachers gain a comprehensive understanding of the societal impact of AI and their responsibilities as informed citizens. They are encouraged to engage in policy planning and contribute to the co-creation of ethical standards for AI in education. Educators at this level are expected to customize AI tools to address specific local educational challenges and enhance learning outcomes. They critically assess the role of AI in their teaching and explore innovative AI-enhanced pedagogical activities. Continuous professional development remains a priority as teachers adapt AI tools to meet the evolving needs of education. Throughout all levels of the AI competency framework, there is a strong emphasis on ethical considerations and the importance of maintaining human agency in interactions with AI. Teachers are encouraged to cultivate a critical mindset when evaluating both the capabilities and limitations of AI technologies. The framework promotes inclusive practices that respect diverse cultural and linguistic backgrounds, ensuring that all students benefit from AI integration in education. The AI competency framework serves as a roadmap for educators, guiding them in enhancing their pedagogical practices through the responsible use of AI. It supports collaboration and resource sharing among teachers, fostering a community of learning. Furthermore, the framework emphasizes the necessity of ongoing training and support to ensure effective integration of AI tools in the classroom, ultimately enriching the educational experience for both teachers and students. The Teacher Competency Framework for Artificial Intelligence, AI, sets forth specifications and goals aimed at enhancing professional development for educators. The primary objective of this framework is to ensure that all teachers attain a fundamental level of AI literacy applicable to various educational environments. Within this framework, there are detailed specifications regarding curricular goals and expected learning outcomes across 15 distinct competency blocks. These blocks provide a structured approach for teachers to develop their understanding of AI and its application in the classroom. The framework also includes examples of activities that educators are expected to partake in, which can be applied to both subject-specific and interdisciplinary teaching methods. The initial progression level, referred to as Acquire, focuses on supporting teachers in achieving a basic level of AI competency that is essential for their professional roles. A significant aspect of this competency framework is the emphasis on a human-centered mindset. This component highlights the importance of maintaining human agency when utilizing AI tools in educational settings. Teachers are encouraged to promote critical thinking among their students by discussing both the advantages and the potential risks associated with AI. This involves using concrete examples to help students understand the implications of AI in real-world contexts. Additionally, it is crucial for educators to grasp the life cycle of AI systems, as this knowledge allows them to recognize how the decisions made by AI creators can affect human rights and individual autonomy. Part of the training provided within the framework includes writing tips designed to enhance human agency, particularly for students with special needs. Educators are also made aware of the dangers of over-reliance on AI technologies. Ethical principles surrounding AI play a vital role in nurturing responsible interactions between humans and AI in educational contexts. Teachers are urged to critically analyze ethical controversies related to AI usage. This includes examining issues such as privacy, security, and cultural relevance. The framework outlines core ethical principles that should guide the use of AI, which include non-discrimination, sustainability, and transparency. Furthermore, educators are encouraged to advocate for inclusivity and to discuss the potential risks that AI tools may pose to marginalized groups, thereby ensuring equity in education. To assist teachers in evaluating and discussing the ethical implications of AI, the framework provides various tools. Knowledge mapping techniques are suggested for visualizing the connections between ethical principles, controversies, and relevant regulations. Additionally, personal observation of local AI regulations is recommended, allowing educators to assess whether these regulations are keeping pace with the rapidly evolving landscape of AI technology. In conclusion, the framework emphasizes the need to prioritize actions that mitigate the negative impacts of AI on students, particularly those with disabilities or those from marginalized backgrounds. By adhering to the guidelines set forth in this competency framework, teachers can cultivate a responsible and informed approach to AI in their educational practices. The discussion on the role of artificial intelligence, AI tools in education, has become increasingly significant. A key aspect of this discourse is the need to recognize and address biases present in AI tools, particularly how these biases can impact the inclusivity of students with disabilities and other vulnerable groups. It is crucial to highlight that AI tools have the potential to inadvertently exclude or marginalize certain students, especially those with special needs. Therefore, institutional managers and educational agencies must remain aware of the risks associated with deploying these tools within educational settings. To ensure that AI tools support inclusivity rather than hinder it, a continuous evaluation process is necessary. It is essential for teachers to develop competencies related to AI tools to integrate them effectively into their educational practices. Teacher training programs should encompass foundational knowledge about AI, including definitions, algorithms, and the operational capabilities of various AI tools. This knowledge equips teachers to assess the appropriateness and reliability of AI tools within their specific educational contexts. Practical experience with AI tools is essential for teachers to grasp their functionalities and advancements compared to traditional information and communication technology (ICT) tools. An AI competency framework should guide teachers in integrating these tools into teaching and learning processes. This framework outlines curricular goals and learning objectives that help teachers acquire the necessary skills related to AI. Teachers are encouraged to curate a personal collection of trusted AI tools that are relevant to their specific teaching needs and local contexts. Collaboration among teachers and school administrators is vital for assessing the suitability of AI tools and sharing best practices. While AI-assisted teaching offers numerous pedagogical benefits, careful implementation is required to mitigate associated risks. To better understand the impact of AI tools on student learning, teachers should analyze exemplary lessons that utilize these tools effectively. Exposure to scholarly research on AI in education will further assist teachers in making informed decisions regarding the integration of AI into their practices. When applying AI tools in lesson design, the focus should remain on enhancing inclusivity and supporting the diverse needs of students. Moreover, continuous professional development and ethical considerations are paramount in the use of AI within educational settings. Teachers should familiarize themselves with ethical principles and human-centered methodologies when incorporating AI into their teaching practices. Ongoing training will enhance teachers' abilities to evaluate AI tools and their effects on learning outcomes. Reflection on the use of AI tools will promote a deeper understanding of their appropriateness and potential drawbacks, ultimately leading to more informed and effective educational practices. The presentation focuses on developing teacher competencies for AI-assisted teaching and professional learning. It underscores the importance of understanding basic teaching needs as a foundation for effectively utilizing AI tools in educational settings. To begin, it is essential for educators to identify specific teaching and learning assessment needs before selecting any AI tools. This process involves evaluating how well an AI tool aligns with these needs and determining the value it adds to the overall teaching process. By starting with fundamental teaching requirements, teachers are better positioned to choose appropriate AI resources that enhance their instructional practices. Furthermore, the presentation emphasizes the significance of engaging in an iterative learning cycle to improve AI-assisted teaching skills. This involves actively participating in the analysis of exemplar lessons to identify effective AI teaching strategies. Teachers are encouraged to design and implement personalized lesson plans that integrate AI tools. After these lessons, it is crucial for educators to reflect on the outcomes of AI-assisted instruction to foster continuous improvement in their teaching practices. Another key focus is gaining insights into the effectiveness of AI solutions in education. Educators are advised to conduct first-hand evaluations of the limitations, risks, and benefits of AI in meeting educational needs. Comparing actual teaching outcomes with expected results is vital for assessing the effectiveness of the AI tools used. This evaluation process should inform future decisions regarding the use of AI tools in the classroom. The presentation also promotes a culture of lifelong professional learning and self-assessment in the era of AI. Teachers are encouraged to explore AI tools that can enhance their professional development. Utilizing self-assessment instruments can help educators identify gaps in their readiness and competencies related to AI. Additionally, discussions surrounding the evolving roles of teachers in AI-rich educational environments are encouraged to promote awareness and adaptability. Building awareness of accessible AI tools for professional growth is another crucial aspect. The presentation highlights various AI tools that can support teachers with disabilities, thus promoting inclusivity within the educational landscape. It is also important to seek out affordable and relevant AI resources for personal development. Teachers are urged to leverage AI for fostering peer collaboration and mentorship opportunities. Lastly, the presentation addresses teachers' rights and responsibilities in the context of AI. It is important to clarify the rights that should be protected for teachers operating within an AI landscape. Discussions about the necessary training and support for the ethical use of AI in education are imperative. Additionally, teachers must recognize their professional development responsibilities when integrating AI into their instructional practices. In summary, the effective integration of AI tools in education hinges on a clear understanding of teaching needs, continuous evaluation of AI's effectiveness, and a commitment to professional growth and ethical practices. This comprehensive approach aims to empower teachers to thrive in an increasingly AI-driven educational environment. In today's educational landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, presents both opportunities and challenges for teachers. It is imperative for educators to actively engage in evaluating local policies that affect their rights and responsibilities when using AI tools. A thorough review of these policies is essential to understand how they impact professional accountability. Teachers should advocate for policies that safeguard their decision-making authority within the classroom, ensuring that their professional judgment remains a priority. Understanding the limitations and risks associated with AI tools is crucial for effective teaching and for protecting the learning experience of students. Educators must recognize that AI lacks the capacity to truly comprehend the complexities of the real world and cannot make value judgments like a human can. It is vital for teachers to be aware of AI's potential to generate incorrect information and misrepresent facts, which can undermine the educational process. Special attention should be given to the implications of AI for students with special needs. The use of AI could inadvertently hinder their critical thinking abilities and reduce personal interactions essential for their growth. Therefore, human accountability in decision-making processes that involve AI is not merely a best practice. It is a legal obligation. Educators must familiarize themselves with both local and international regulatory frameworks governing AI usage to navigate this evolving landscape effectively. It is necessary for teachers to assess how specific AI tools may diminish their accountability within educational contexts. By referencing pertinent policies, educators can maintain their professional accountability against potential overreach by AI systems. Teachers play a crucial role in ensuring the ethical use of AI and in fostering student engagement through meaningful human interactions. They should carefully evaluate the appropriateness of AI tools in their pedagogical approaches, ensuring that methodologies are inclusive and suitable for all age groups. Providing necessary human interaction is especially critical for students with diverse learning needs, as it supports their independent learning. Continuous professional development is essential for educators to integrate AI effectively into their teaching practices. Training programs should focus on the ethical considerations of using AI tools, emphasizing data privacy and intellectual property rights. Engaging in case studies and practical scenarios will enhance teachers' understanding of AI safety and ethical concerns. The development of institutional rules regarding AI use can assist educators in navigating the complexities associated with AI integration in classrooms. Collaboration among educators is key to establishing a safe and responsible AI-augmented learning environment. Teachers are encouraged to work together to evaluate and enhance the ethical use of AI tools. Regular updates to guidelines on responsible AI use will contribute to a culture of accountability within educational institutions. By sharing their experiences and strategies, teachers can collectively enhance their knowledge and develop effective methods for mitigating the risks associated with AI in education. In the current educational landscape, it is essential for educators to develop hands-on experience with artificial intelligence, AI tools, and to understand how these tools operate. Teachers must familiarize themselves with the primary functions of various AI tools that are used in educational settings. This understanding includes analyzing the similarities and differences among different AI techniques, including symbolic, predictive, and generative AI. Gaining insights into how these techniques can influence educational practices is crucial for their effective implementation within the classroom. To enhance their conceptual knowledge, educators should engage in research-based learning. This involves exploring how AI systems, such as large language models, are trained and tested. Familiarity with typical models, algorithms, and datasets utilized in AI training can significantly improve teaching practices. By providing opportunities for teachers to explore these concepts, educational institutions can support the professional development of their staff. Problem-based learning has proven to be an effective method for developing operational skills related to data and algorithms. By designing typical problem scenarios that align with teachers' prior knowledge and responsibilities, educators can acquire essential skills. This approach not only aids in skill acquisition, but also empowers teachers to create AI applications that cater to the specific needs of their students. It fosters critical thinking and facilitates the practical application of knowledge in real-world contexts. In addition to operational skills, it is vital to integrate ethical considerations into the design and assessment of AI tools. Teachers should review and adjust the criteria used to evaluate the ethics of these tools, paying particular attention to aspects such as data security and biases. Engaging in hands-on practice to assess AI tools will deepen educators' understanding of ethics by design. It is important to address issues such as gender discrimination and accessibility for vulnerable groups during the evaluation process. The effective integration of AI into teaching practices can significantly enhance student engagement and learning outcomes. Teachers need to develop AI-enhanced learning strategies that promote student-centered practices. Analyzing the impact of AI on learning processes and outcomes is essential for making informed pedagogical decisions. This integration supports differentiated learning and helps cultivate critical thinking and problem-solving skills among students. Continuous reflection and adaptation of teaching practices are necessary in the context of AI. Educators should engage in iterative cycles of learning design, which facilitates reflection on their AI-assisted activities. Providing support for teachers to adapt their practices based on feedback and outcomes will promote effective learning environments. Moreover, encouraging collaboration among educators can foster a community of practice focused on AI-enhanced teaching strategies. In conclusion, equipping educators with the necessary skills and ethical considerations related to AI is crucial for improving educational practices and outcomes. By prioritizing hands-on experience, research-based learning, and ethical assessments, teachers can effectively integrate AI into their teaching, ultimately benefiting their students and enhancing the learning experience. The focus of this presentation is on enhancing teacher competencies in artificial intelligence, AI, to support their professional development and uphold ethical practices within educational environments. A crucial aspect of this enhancement is understanding the role of human accountability in AI-assisted assessments, which is fundamental to maintaining educational integrity. It is important to dispel common myths surrounding AI, particularly the misconception that it can fully automate assessment processes. This highlights the necessity for human oversight in these areas. We must analyze the risks associated with relying on AI for grading and providing feedback on student learning outcomes. Additionally, it is essential to consider the limitations of existing assessment structures within local education systems and to weigh the potential advantages of AI against the associated risks. To support teachers in navigating this landscape, developing an AI competency framework is vital. Such a framework should be tailored to ensure that educators possess the necessary skills related to AI. Continuous professional learning and collaboration among teachers should be encouraged to help them adapt to environments enriched with AI. Moreover, it is important to introduce accessible AI tools that can assist teachers, particularly those with disabilities and those who work with special needs students. Another key component of professional development in this context is the use of data analytics. Teachers should be guided in using data analytics to evaluate their professional growth in both subject knowledge and pedagogical practices. Promoting the use of data can help teachers self-diagnose their skills and personalize their learning pathways for professional growth. This support should also focus on helping educators identify gaps in their competencies. Addressing ethical concerns surrounding the use of AI in education is crucial to protect the rights of teachers. Discussions should be facilitated regarding the ethical implications of AI tools and their impact on teachers' rights and data privacy. Hands-on practice can help educators assess the risks associated with various AI algorithms across different platforms. Furthermore, it is necessary to develop guidelines that ensure the ethical use of AI tools, enhancing professional learning while safeguarding educators' interests. Fostering a human-centered mindset is essential for building inclusive societies where AI is utilized effectively. Engaging teachers in critical discussions about the social implications of AI and the potential for technology to influence social norms is important. Collaborative activities should be organized to envision safe, inclusive, and just AI societies, addressing the threats posed by technology. Teachers should also be encouraged to advocate for social justice and human rights in the context of AI development and implementation. Promoting autonomous upskilling and peer coaching can greatly enhance professional development. Teachers should be encouraged to stay informed about emerging AI technologies that impact educational practices. Facilitating peer coaching will help cultivate a culture of continuous improvement and shared learning among educators. Additionally, generative AI simulations can be employed to create realistic scenarios for teachers to practice their skills and receive constructive feedback. Finally, encouraging the creative use of AI can empower teachers to act as change agents within their educational contexts. Teachers should be empowered to innovate and explore transformative teaching practices that incorporate AI. Opportunities should be created for teachers to engage with their communities in discussions about the potential of AI in education. It is also important to define measurable learning objectives and provide contextual activities that promote a human-centered approach to AI in educational settings. In conclusion, enhancing teacher competencies in AI encompasses a multifaceted approach that includes training, ethical considerations, continuous professional development, and the promotion of a human-centered mindset. By addressing these areas, we can ensure that educators are well equipped to navigate the evolving landscape of AI in education. In today's educational landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, presents both opportunities and challenges that necessitate a focus on social responsibility and ethical practices. It is crucial for both educators and students to internalize their roles as responsible citizens in an AI-driven society. This involves not only understanding the implications of AI, but also actively participating in shaping its trajectory within educational frameworks. To facilitate this understanding, organizing hands-on workshops can be an effective approach. These workshops can help participants define what it means to be a responsible citizen in the context of AI. Educators should be encouraged to examine the evolution of their legal and social responsibilities as they relate to AI technologies. It is essential to engage in discussions that emphasize the importance of upholding and strengthening core social rights and obligations in an AI-centric environment. The implications of AI for our society are profound and require careful analysis and reflection from both educators and students. There is a need to explore how AI impacts various facets of life, such as education, employment, and interpersonal relationships. Furthermore, it is important to reflect on how advancements in AI may alter human connections with one another and with the environment. Active participation in the formation of AI policies within educational settings can help maximize the benefits of AI while minimizing its associated risks. It is vital to involve teachers in discussions about policy at institutional, local, and national levels. Addressing the social and educational risks posed by AI will enable educators to contribute effectively to the development of guidelines that promote its ethical use. In promoting social and civic responsibilities through education, we can enhance the qualities of citizenship in the era of AI. Teachers should be encouraged to write thought pieces that examine the impact of profit-driven AI on social and emotional well-being. Facilitating dialogue around desirable social relations, as well as identifying barriers to building meaningful human connections, is essential. Moreover, both global and local initiatives aimed at fostering communities that prioritize human and planetary well-being should be discussed. Educators must critically examine the ethical implications of AI practices in education, leading discussions that address socio-cultural and environmental concerns related to AI technologies. Research-based reviews of the social impacts of selected AI tools on local economies and social justice are necessary to understand their broader implications. It is crucial to facilitate debates that highlight the risks of marginalizing certain communities Through the deployment of AI technologies, understanding and addressing ethical gaps in the guidance provided to AI users is vital for safeguarding vulnerable groups. It is important to audit the claims made by AI tool providers regarding their potential risks and social impacts. Monitoring threats to users, particularly children and individuals with disabilities, and reporting these findings to relevant authorities is necessary to ensure their protection. Finally, there is a strong need to advocate for improved guidelines that ensure the ethical use of AI tools in educational settings. By fostering a culture of responsibility, reflection, and dialogue, educators can play a pivotal role in shaping a future where AI technologies serve the greater good of society. In the evolving landscape of education, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI tools, presents significant opportunities for teachers to enhance the learning experience. This guide aims to provide educators with practical strategies for creating and adapting AI tools tailored to their specific educational contexts. Teachers are encouraged to explore and modify open-source AI tools. These tools can significantly enrich educational experiences when adapted to fit the needs of their students. Engaging in project-based learning is a recommended approach, as it fosters adaptability and creativity among educators, allowing them to co-create AI tools that resonate with their teaching goals. Utilizing accessible and affordable AI models is essential. This includes working with semi-finished tools and open-source toolkits designed to address real-world challenges. In this process, it is crucial to adopt a human-centered and ethical approach to ensure that the AI tools developed prioritize the values and needs of students. To support teachers effectively, it is important to embed ethical values and skills into AI tool repositories. Educators should have hands-on opportunities to evaluate the ethical implications of existing AI tools. Furthermore, AI tool repositories should be continuously updated and iterated to reflect the evolving educational needs of the community. Collaboration among teachers is vital for sharing insights and improving the quality of AI tools available for education. Educators must also demonstrate a solid understanding of AI system design and its applications within their local educational environments. This includes analyzing the capabilities and limitations of selected AI systems to determine how well they address specific educational contexts. Customizing and assembling existing AI tools can yield solutions that are both relevant and affordable for local settings. It is also important to revise the testing criteria for self-created AI tools, ensuring thorough optimization and iteration for better outcomes. Promoting inclusivity and environmentally friendly practices in AI tool design is key. Teachers should work collaboratively within a community of co-creators to enhance the accessibility of AI tools, especially for students with disabilities. Organizing projects or hackathons focused on developing AI tools that support climate education and sustainable practices can further this mission. Maintaining a reliable repository of AI tools is essential for educators, allowing them to access and utilize these resources effectively. Teachers should also cultivate AI-enhanced pedagogical practices that prioritize student development. This involves assessing the impact of AI on teaching and learning while ensuring that core educational values remain intact. Facilitating scenario analyses can help explore innovative learning practices made possible by AI technologies. It is important to design learning environments where students can interact with AI tools, thereby developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Moreover, leveraging AI technologies can enhance both teaching and administrative tasks. By integrating AI into the collection and analysis of learning data, educators can tailor their teaching strategies more effectively. Additionally, AI can assist in generating diverse content formats, aiding in the development of educational resources. Streamlining administrative tasks will also allow teachers to improve their engagement with students, parents, and the wider community. In summary, the thoughtful integration of AI tools in education can lead to significant improvements in teaching and learning outcomes. By focusing on ethical practices, collaboration, and continuous adaptation, educators can create meaningful and impactful learning experiences for their students. In recent years, artificial intelligence has emerged as a significant force in the field of education. Its potential extends beyond mere technology to encompass the protection of fundamental educational values, such as human rights and cultural diversity. AI has the capacity to promote independent thinking among students, empowering them to make informed choices about their learning. By fostering linguistic and cultural diversity, AI can contribute to creating a more inclusive educational environment. The integration of AI into educational practices requires a thorough evaluation of current teaching methodologies. Educators are encouraged to assess whether existing pedagogical approaches can effectively leverage the capabilities of AI. It is essential for them to remain informed about the new learning scenarios that AI technologies can enable. This involves determining whether these scenarios enhance existing methods or introduce innovative pedagogical techniques. A crucial aspect of effectively implementing AI in education is understanding the dynamic interactions among teachers, students, and AI. Educators should focus on designing and engineering these interactions to optimize learning outcomes. Continuous reflection on AI's role in the educational process is vital to ensure its effective integration. The relationship among teachers, students, and AI must be navigated with care to enhance the overall educational experience. AI has significant implications for students with special needs, as it can provide tailored support while safeguarding their rights. The development of assistive AI tools should be a collaborative effort aimed at enhancing learning opportunities for students with disabilities. Activities designed in this context should prioritize empowerment while also ensuring the protection of privacy and human rights. To maximize the impact of these tools, teachers must receive adequate training on how to use them effectively. When developing curricular resources, a human-AI hybrid approach is recommended to promote inclusivity. AI can facilitate the review of existing educational literature, helping to create diverse materials that cater to varied learning styles. It is important to ensure that these resources combine different media formats, such as text, audio, and video, to enhance accessibility. Establishing a validation mechanism will be essential to ensure accountability in the production of AI-assisted resources. Furthermore, professional development for teachers can greatly benefit from the incorporation of AI, aligning with individual and community needs. Customization of AI tools can enhance teachers' professional growth and facilitate collaborative learning experiences. Workshops that encourage teachers to co-create AI tools can play a crucial role in tracking and improving institutional professional development. By empowering teachers to act as change agents, innovative educational practices may be fostered. The establishment of communities focused on the co-creation of AI tools and ethical guidelines is vital for the responsible use of AI in education. Collaborative research teams can work on developing innovative methodologies and ethical frameworks that govern AI applications in educational settings. Engaging stakeholders in this co-creation process is essential for building trust and accountability. Ongoing dialogue surrounding AI ethics is necessary to adapt educational practices to the rapid advancements in technology. Regulatory frameworks must be established to ensure the safe and ethical use of AI in education, protecting both learners and educators from potential risks. Validation of trustworthy AI tools is crucial before their widespread implementation in educational contexts. Moreover, national frameworks should be developed to safeguard data protection and ensure ethical compliance in the use of AI technologies in education. In summary, while AI holds great promise for enhancing teaching, learning, and professional development, careful consideration and ongoing evaluation are required to harness its full potential in a responsible and inclusive manner. Recent developments in the regulation of generative artificial intelligence, AI, in education are centered on addressing the ethical concerns and risks associated with its use. Notable regulations include the official regulation on generative AI issued in China in July 2023 and the European Union's AI Act, which was introduced in March 2024. These regulations are significant as they set the framework for the safe deployment of AI technologies in educational settings. The EU AI Act categorizes AI systems based on risk levels, identifying 4 distinct categories. Most applications of AI in education are classified as high risk, which necessitates stringent regulations to protect students. This classification underscores the importance of implementing independent validation mechanisms for AI systems used in educational environments. High-risk AI applications must undergo validation by independent institutions before they can be utilized in schools. This step is crucial to prevent potential irreversible harm to students and to ensure the safety of educational software that incorporates AI tools. Collaboration among regulatory agencies, educational institutions, and various stakeholders is essential in defining effective validation methods. Governmental regulatory bodies play a pivotal role by ensuring coordination across sectors and aligning local regulations with national standards for AI. Providers of AI systems bear the responsibility of ensuring accountability, promoting transparency, and monitoring the lawful use of their technologies. Educational institutions have the duty to audit AI algorithms and assess the suitability of AI tools for their users. Additionally, individual users, including teachers and students, must understand the ethical principles that govern the use of AI. It is important for them to monitor AI applications and adhere to guidelines concerning data privacy, security, and the appropriateness of AI tools for varying age groups and abilities. Awareness of the terms of reference for AI usage is vital for the safe and responsible integration of AI into educational practices. Furthermore, there is a pressing need for a supportive policy environment that facilitates the adoption of AI in education. Such policies should create enabling conditions that address barriers to the effective use of AI, including issues of affordability and access. Conducting cost-benefit analyses can aid institutions in evaluating the use of AI in relation to their other educational priorities. In summary, a comprehensive approach is required to ensure that the integration of AI in educational practices enhances learning while safeguarding the welfare of learners. The responsibility for successful regulation and implementation of AI in education is shared among governmental agencies, AI providers, educational institutions, and individual users. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into educational systems presents a range of challenges and strategies that must be carefully considered. It is important to recognize that AI is not a panacea for the fundamental issues plaguing education worldwide, such as inadequate infrastructure and shortages of qualified teachers. Furthermore, the media often generates significant hype around AI, which can lead to unrealistic expectations about its potential impact on education. To address major educational challenges effectively, comprehensive solutions must be sought that go beyond mere technological advancements. Strategic policy decisions should prioritize evidence-based research and foster inclusive dialogue among all stakeholders involved in education. It is crucial to maintain the central role of teachers' human agency and creativity in the integration of AI. Teachers should possess the autonomy to select and implement AI tools that align with their educational objectives, ensuring that technology complements their pedagogical goals. To ensure the responsible use of AI in education, it is essential to develop a competency framework for teachers. This framework must outline the necessary skills and knowledge for educators to utilize AI effectively, while emphasizing that the benefits of AI applications must clearly outweigh any associated risks prior to implementation. Policies should be designed to support and motivate teachers in their responsible use of AI, incorporating professional qualification frameworks that emphasize the development of AI competencies among educators. Moreover, it is vital to introduce measures that alleviate the potential negative impacts of AI on teachers' workloads. Ongoing training and support programs should be adequately funded and tailored to meet the specific needs of teachers. Addressing barriers related to access and affordability of AI is crucial for promoting inclusive educational practices. Ensuring reliable internet access and affordable AI tools is necessary for both educators and students. Upgrading outdated digital infrastructure is also a critical step for the effective integration of AI in schools. Collaborative efforts with academic institutions and the private sector can be instrumental in providing the necessary resources to support these initiatives. Localized AI competency frameworks for teachers should be developed to enhance digital readiness, beginning with a thorough assessment of current AI readiness and competency levels among educators. Identifying the gaps between desired AI competencies and existing training programs is essential for facilitating improvement. These localized frameworks should align with broader digital competency standards and professional development goals. Successful examples of AI competency frameworks can provide valuable insights for effective teacher training. For instance, the AI4T project in Europe categorizes AI competencies into three areas: teaching for AI, teaching with AI, and teaching about AI. Similarly, in South Korea, frameworks emphasize AI and digital fundamentals, implementation, and ongoing professional development. These frameworks offer structured pathways for enhancing teachers' capabilities in effectively utilizing AI within their classrooms. In conclusion, while AI holds great potential for transforming education, its implementation must be approached thoughtfully, with a focus on comprehensive solutions, ongoing support for teachers, and equitable access to resources.